Hi, all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is about this is an English video. So if you are Hindi channel subscriber or Hindi video subscriber, do not watch this because this is going to be in English. And this video is all about, will they contact you, like will he or she contact you? What is happening with them now? Like what is happening with them now, and will they contact you back, or will he or she contact you back? So here, he or she, I mean your boyfriend, girlfriend, partner and spouse. This is for married and unmarried, both of you guys. So even you are married and you are in separation time, or even you are unmarried and in separation time with your boyfriend, girlfriend, company and partner, this is about them. About me, before I could start with my introduction, thank you for subscribing my channel, all my new viewers, and all my old viewers. Gratitude, thank you very much that you keep watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing my channel. And about me, I am an Saking medium. I am a tarot reader. I do tarot reading intuitively. That means whenever I do tarot card reading, it's through spirit guidance. And I have direct connection with spirit. I could hear that spirits is speaking, and that they are saying something in my ears, and then sometimes I could have vision. So that's about a spirit connection with me and spirit. With this is of course I'm a spiritual person, so I would have spirit connection. About my education, I have done my bachelor's from University of Edinburgh, Scotland, on divine spirituality. About my healing experience, I have 14 years healing experience. I am Oshishui Shehiki Rohoyo, Master 2006, and Karuna Reiki Master from ULC Chicago 2008, and I'm a Kabbalah healer, Kabbalah expert. I learned Kabbalah from in Jerusalem. That's the basic place of learning Kabbalah, and that's basically Kabbalah is the cosmic healing technique of Jew people. They use this Kabbalah technique, and I have learned it from there itself. Like I was there in Israel for 2 years, and then I learned Kabbalah from them. And this is all about my experience. And then about tarot reading, I did learn tarot reading from Academy of Tarot India, level 1, level 2 and level 3. So that is three level. So starting with this reading, I have three options here. This is pink color butterfly, this is yellow color butterfly, and this is green color butterfly. Yellow, pink and green. Yellow, pink and green color butterfly. So you can choose any of them. And the subject is, what will he or she come back to you? What is happening with them? Like what is happening with them now? So I will give you 10 seconds. You can choose any of the butterflies. Close your eyes, think about your partner, whatever you want to do it. I will give you 10 seconds and choose one of the options, and then I'll quickly start your reading. Okay, so let's get started with pink color butterfly. Those who choose pink color butterfly. So what is happening with them? Will they contact you back? Guys, those who are looking for free reading, subscribe my channel. Once you subscribe my channel, you could start seeing all the posts I do on community page. I upload on community page, and you all you need to do, you have to write below the community page post and write below my videos. And at end of the week, I do lottery system, and those I announce two people's name. Those who win, they win 5 questions, 15 minutes reading, that is free. This week also there are 3-4 names, those who got a free reading session from me. There are Manisha Singh, and I think what all those names are. I think Manisha Singh, I'll tell you the names, I wrote it somewhere. Okay, so there were three people who own basically this free reading. They are like Manisha and Hemlata Rawat, Deepak Das, and Afrin Mujawar. So Afrin is from Pakistan, and she got this uh, free reading session. So I believe she's from Pakistan. I'm not sure. So these four got a free reading session. Even you can win. So all you need to do is subscribe my channel and write below the comment section. If you write me on WhatsApp, I will not answer you. Neither I will give you the free reading session. I definitely remember the name, and then I'll not put their name in the free reading session. So please do not write me on WhatsApp because that's not the way. Please follow the process. Okay, so let's get started. Those who choose pink color butterfly, will he or she contact you? And if they will contact you, so what is happening in their life now? These are your suggestion cards from universe. Okay, now I'm hearing June born, June, July born people, Cancer probably. June, July, February, September, March, January, and August born people are here. So, also November. June, July, February, um, January, March, August, and November born people are more over here. And I'm seeing some of you guys name starts with H. Some of you guys name starts or ends with W. That is the first or last letter of the name. N and H. H I told you, S, F, uh, D, V, N, G, T, U, R, K, B, L. So within this, your first or last letter of the name, or your partner's first or last letter of the name, the birth month also could be yours or your partner's, those who are in separation, that the person who separated from you. So basically you love them a lot. You're kind of very emotional towards them. You invested a lot after them. Like I'm seeing like uh, you were kind of like you kind of talk randomly with them, like about your childhood. You also feel for them. You feel that they are kind of very you are very caring, like their motherly figure, or probably like an elder sister, like the way they treat them. So you also treated them like a mother, and you used to think, oh my god, he or she is kind of my uh, kiddo. So that's kind of feelings you had for them, and you used to treat them like a mother, like mother or father. So they kind of they did not honor you. Basically they dishonor you, and they let you go, and they were all the time they were lying about something. So that lie could be somebody in professional things, like they have somebody in office and they were lying to you. So uh, kind of they were lying about your lying about a third party, or they were lying about their family matters, something they were lying about. Lying, they were lying all the time, they were lying to you. And I saw that after sometimes they thought to move on because of this third party or whatever. They thought that they deserve that third party, and third party is kind of very beautiful rather than you. Like they had that thought, but you had the spiritual things, and somehow your intuition was telling you that this person will not stick back for a long time. Then also you were waiting for them. That is because of your loving kindness. You were very kind to them, and You used to love them like a child. See this child picture, you used to love them like a child. They were kind of, but I'm seeing at present you were kind of, you became a flat, like your emotion is kind of flatlining. So I'm not seeing that any emotions left out on there. I'm seeing that any wish are not there, like your wishes are kind of gone into pit. So you thought, like, why after a man or woman who is kind of not mine or doesn't want to be with me? Some of you guys, they have, I could see you have beautiful green color gown, beautiful green and yellow color gown, some of you guys, and you thought to wear those gown in your engagement or marriage party or some party where you wanted to go with your spouse or your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Some of you guys were men, like you used to think that I will wear a red color t-shirt matching with her on Valentine's Day and I will date her. But I'm seeing from the Valentine's Day itself, like probably from month of February, you kind of you guys are kind of separated. For some people you are separated since month of August 2019. Yeah, so you wanted a family with him or her. You wanted to become like, one of their motherly figure and or fatherly figure. Probably they lost their mother in childhood, so you wanted to become a motherly figure to them or fatherly figure to them. And I am seeing that they have there is a vision that they have lost their one of their parents in childhood, and you wanted to become the one and you wanted to settle down with this person, but they are kind of not honoring your path. They were all the time, they were lying to you. They were kind of a cycle being going on with them, like they were going to you, coming back to you, and then they go back to the office and go with this lady and or this men, and they went quite a far. Like I think they were involved physically. There were a physical involvement between both of them. They used to love each other or they used to have sex with each other. They were obsessed about sex. But now I'm seeing something happen, like something happened with them, like they get to know that who are you basically. They realized your spiritual ability. You are basically a spiritual woman or spiritual man, and you have this kind heart because you are very spiritual. And now they want to start all over again. I am seeing, I'm actually hearing like 1 month or 1 week, or yes, 1 month, 1 weeks, or not 1 week, 1 month, or 9 weeks. Within that, this man or woman is going to come back to you and ask you for date, ask you to come back to their life, and ask you to, even they can ask you to get married immediately and extend the family things. But I'm seeing that you are kind of flatlining now. You just don't want them probably, or you are kind of uh, tired being listening, lying, like tired get into this situation, like they are always being lying to you, they are always lying to you. They are like the whole time, like um, they were taking their sweet time to come back to you. They are with the third party and they never said anything. You had kind of enough. I'm seeing the energy that you had enough, and you are kind of, I had enough and I don't want to see you again. But they are going to get into this deep conversation, and they are going to tell you all the truth, and they probably ask you to join them and extend the family or probably start a family with you. So it's now your decision, because I really don't see that you are too much interested to go back to them. But yes, they are. The question was, what is happening with them? They are now confirmed that who are you and what is your connection with them. And they actually realized your value and they are coming back to you. And they would offer you marriage. And will they contact you or not? Yes, definitely they will contact you because they want to get married with you. What is Universe suggestion, let's see. Let yourself feel all your emotions. Your entire rainbow spectrum of feeling is sending you important messages and guidance. I think universe is in your back, so they would keep sending you messages whenever they lie to you or whenever they say something, so you would know. Make time for self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential right now. Take care of yourself, don't think about others much. You actually offered them a lot, and you offered yourself your services. I want to say your services means not like that the professional services or something. Your services means your emotions, your feelings, everything you offered them, and they could not realize who are you. They could not value the things. And I'm not joking, like I'm basically they missed you, and now they are kind of they want to come back to you. They want to go and get into the deep emotional conversation, but I am kind of surprised whether you would like to go with them for this deep emotional conversation or not. You may probably say your emotions, I'm seeing that flatlining, so you're kind of okay, yes, yes, okay, fine, now what you want, and now you want to come back. Oh, really? This is kind of your action would be. So let's see what is going to happen, and probably you go cobra to them, like you are kind of cobra to them, and you're like, get out of my life. So this could also happen. So within a month, or within 1 week to 1 month, or maximum 8 weeks. So that is the timing. So within that, they are coming back to you, and even they will offer you to have family, like a commitment, or something like extending family. But let's see what you are going to do. So let me know what you are going to do. And here universe messages are very clear that whatever you have gone through, that was kind of enough, and universe is going to help you in this process. So whatever you do, don't regret later, because I think that you won't do, universe will make you do. So be confident, girls or guys, those who are watching my video. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and please participate in free reading. And let me get into quickly into this pile number 2, those who choose pile number 2. Let's see. That is pile, not pile number 2, sorry, green color butterfly. Green color butterfly. Let's see what is their situation. Would they like to come back to you? Will they contact you or not? What is this? Oh, I'm already seeing that some vision, like you both are meeting in some drinking party or some party. Oh, great, guys. Great queen. Why are you behaving like this? Probably you guys are twin flame, twin soul. Probably you guys are true soulmate. I'm getting some messages from universe, like you guys are true soulmate and twin flames. Spirit is telling me that, and I'm seeing that they kind of totally thrown back their emotions on you, like you get out. Such a cutthroat men or women, like they spoke with you like razor, like sharp tongue they have. They were like, get out. You cried a lot, like your health, uh, you suffered a lot. Probably you went to a doctor and you had a checkup, like Are you going through some psychiatric problem or not? You are in such condition, I'm seeing. But definitely you guys are intuitive people, you guys are psychic. Probably I am seeing some people who are watching my video, they are tarot reader or they are psychic medium, one like me. And I'm seeing you guys are quite successful, you don't need anybody basically, but you fall into them, like you fell for them, and that was just because you somewhere you thought that this person is wise, they are kind of spiritual, but they were not at all spiritual. They were they are somebody who are all after money, all after financial growth, material things like money, food, sex, house, having a big car. So those are their dream, and they kind of they cannot sacrifice that, definitely not for you. They will contact you, definitely they will contact you, but they will never give you keep you in priority. Their priority would be always this successful life, like they want to get success in their career, they want to become somebody like someone like Bill Gates or someone like Ambani, Tata Birla Ambani. So they, that is their dream. And if you say, hey, you have to give me love, so they would say no, that's not something I want to give you. You want to be with me, just be with me like a showpiece. Oh my god. These guys, they are kind of they tried a lot, like this man or woman, this man or woman, they tried a lot to get into somebody who is quite rich, and outside they live outside of India, or if you are living in somewhere else like US or UK or wherever, they tried somebody who is like who is quite a rich person, and they wanted to date them because they wanted to marry and get rich quickly. They want to become rich quickly, they want to become billionaire, and they cannot become billionaire because they have nothing like spiritual level. And something like when you gave somebody like you give them pain, you get your karma. So they, that is their karma. They never loved anyone, they cannot share love, they cannot share they cannot have that gratitude. They cannot they don't know what is sacrifice is about, they don't know what is struggle is about. All they know is like, I want to earn money, I want to earn good position, I want to earn this house, I want to this earn this future my goal is future car, this is this big car, this big mobile phone. So all about show off. And because they are all about money, so the money is running away from them. And universe gave you enough money, but they did not give them enough money just because of their nature. You guys are born on month of September or July or December or June or May or March or October and April. So that would be your or your company and partner spouse birth month. Your date of birth could be number 15, 6 and 24, number 3, 21 and 12, number 9, 18 and 27, number 12, and number 10 and 28, 7, 25 and 16, 19 and number 1, number 4, 22 and 13. So that would be your date of birth. Will they contact you? Yes, they will contact you, but they would always ask you, you will be never their priority. Their priority always would be this financial stuffs, materialistic wall stuffs. So slowly and gradually you will feel that your emotion is gone in toss, like you put your emotion into somebody who were never into you, like who never loved you. So you put your emotion on them, like after them, and they actually, that those went, like those are like wastage of your emotions. They cannot value your emotions. So slowly and gradually you will get to know. And I'm seeing that slowly and gradually, over a period like 4 months or 6 months down to the lane, you will come out from this situation. You will never wait for him or her. Till now you remember them, you feel bad for them. Sometimes you are you are suffering through physical conditions, like physical health, the health issues, just because of this person, because you think that why he left and why she left me like this. And that's why you have to go to doctor, visit quick, like visit regularly doctor, because of this kind of your physical suffering. But I'm seeing that that would be over very soon, and you will be in your path. And the universe is also saying that choose wisely, because they will come back to you, but they will never keep you in priority. So I'll say that. And when they will contact you, definitely they are going to contact you within 10 weeks, so something like 3 months or 4 months. But I really don't think that you must go for this person, because they would never keep you in priority. Their priority would be always this materialistic stuff. They are all about material things, all about showing off. They always planning and plotting for how to make money, how to become quick rich, how to become billionaire and all those stuffs, and how to get success. So always they are after that, and you have to sacrifice for entire your life would be will be in sacrifice, like you would be sacrificing for him or her if you get married with this person or be with this person. Practice present moment awareness. The meaning you earn for lives in the ever present now. Universe is saying that you must live in present and don't think about past anymore. Set a goal, write it down, and release the outcome. Small steps make a big difference. Take small steps. Here also they are showing that taking steps. Take small steps and go out of this relation. This is kind of something I will call, this is kind of toxic situation. You are kind of toxic about him or her. You cannot leave that person, but that person kind of tempted towards materialistic world. If someday they understand spirituality and then they come back to you, that would be a different case. But as if now, I think you must leave this person and you must move on. So that would be best things for you. Your name's first or last letter would be O, T, C, D, R, L, S, E, um, P, M, O, R, N, G, Y, V. So that's all about your reading. Like, will they come back, contact you? Definitely they will contact you. They probably ask you to get married with them, but I really don't see that you supposed to, you also accept them. Let me tell you, you will accept them. But I would, if you go for my suggestion, I would say that just leave this person, because you won't be their priority anytime sooner or later. Okay, now for those who choose butterfly, that is yellow butterfly. Okay, so yellow butterfly. Now, okay, I got those cards. Now, what is the situation here? You guys are definitely born on month of April, on month of July, month of February, month of June or January, and May and March and July. I told you July. So those would be your birth month, and or your company and partner, yeah, boyfriend, girlfriends, or spouse birth month. And what is the situation here? So I am seeing that this person, will they contact you? Yes, they will contact you, and then again they will go back to their past form. So they were lying about their third party situation. They never told you that they are in third party situation. They were not honoring you, and they were hiding many things from you. And when they come back to you, they will hide again about this third party. And they will come back to you again, they will leave you, they will again come back to you, and they will leave you. So that would be the situation. So he or she is going to come back to you or contact you, definitely yes, but again he or she will leave you after some times. So that's just matter of time. Like when he or she will contact you, I think 5 weeks, 5 days, or 5 weeks, or 5 months maximum. So they will contact you back, but again they will leave you after that. Like they will stay back for 3 months, very good, like taking you for date and talking to you nicely, and have good passionate relationship, intimate relationship, and all of a sudden they say goodbye. So I think you must not go for them, because I think you you were thinking about family with them. They, you want to marry them, but they are playing it safe. They don't have any intentions to get married with you. And why they come back to you? Because they don't find luck in third party situation. Like this third party probably tell them many things, insult them, or they go kind of gypsy with them. They just sit and have drink and think that what suppose I should do now, since third party left and I want some sexual activity, where to go. And then they all of a sudden their mind click on you, like, oh, this girl is there or this man is there, he or she kind of all after me, and they crazy about me, so they come back to you. And again they have this you and he or she has this conflict situation, because they never give you time, and then you get into a conflict situation, and then they leave and go to third party again. So they have no intentions to get married with you or extend family or have family with you. They have still, they will have third party always with them. And this third party is all about money. So whenever she is not getting money from them, or whenever she is not getting this materialistic world help, so they leave them, and then they come back to you. So they got nothing to do with you, basically. No emotional attachment is there. This is all about physical connection, this is all about physical satisfaction. And go back to the third party. They actually love this third party, they are obsessed about this third party. And I think you may let go, because this card also says, say you can read this, letting go. And to make them the process of let go, you must go for this healing session. uh, your name's first or last letter could be E, J, Y, S, R, V, G, T, W, R, L, D, N, F. Very sad situation. You are kind of very emotional for them, and they are kind of always lying to you, not honoring you, always hiding third party situation from you. They are coming back to you and again going back to third party. Always they would be always doing that. See this man, how they are managing this side and that side. They would always do like that. Let me see universe suggestion card. Your enthusiasm gives you energy and motivation to work on a meaningful project that's dear to your heart. Go for some meaningful person, do something meaningful. So waiting for this person and being with this person and continuously he's ditching you, continuously he's leaving you and hurting you, that's not an option. That's not an option. So you must go for something which is meaningful to you, which is worth basically. This relationship is definitely not worth. And I see that you kind of flatlining over here, your dream and wish is kind of gone out, like no, I don't want to fulfill this kind of wish with this kind of person. So you already somewhere in your heart you know that this person is not for you and this person is not good for you, but still there is some sense, some emotion in heart where you are an emotional person, you don't want to totally throw off this person, but I would say you may do that and you might do that and you should do that. So that should be my line to you. Emerald card, ceremonies and celebration. It's a time of important life passages such as wedding, birthdays, graduations or anniversaries. Okay, so there would be somebody in your family or friends who would be actually celebrating their birthday or wedding or anniversaries where you are not planning to go, but I think this time you must go and enjoy with them. Offer your support to someone, experience the joy of serving others. I think you must go for some NGO work too. You must go and mingle with those people, those who are actually doing charity, and try to do some charitable work. Step into the light, share your gifts and talents with the world. And you are a creative person. So, what I'm getting a sense like, you are a creative person, you are probably a makeup artist. Um, you are probably a beautician, you are probably somebody like model, singer, dancer. So universe is saying that you show your talent to the world and become famous, and also do some charitable work and go for some functions which actually make you happy, and let this person go. Do your healing. So this card is all about healing. This is healing energy, peace, and your spiritual energy is awakening. So you must go for this healing, your spiritual awakening, and you should live in peace. And this person is definitely not bringing you peace, so you must let go this person. Okay, so the end of this reading, the question was, will he contact you or not? Yes, he is going to contact you within 5 weeks, 5 months or 5 days. He will come back to you, but he will come back to you with an hidden motivations or hidden secret, and he will again go back to that third party. So it is your decision now what you want to go do. So that's all about this reading. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please participate in free reading. Like, everybody is getting free reading this week. There were 4% they got free reading, and that is 5 question 15 minutes free reading. All you need to do is subscribe my channel and write on my community page post and write on my video post. So once you subscribe my channel, you would start seeing my community page post, and then whatever the post I upload every day, you just have to write below to that comment section and video comment section, write in details. And at the end of the week I do lottery system, and once the lottery is done, then you would get to know whose name has published and who own this 5 minutes 5 question 15 minutes session. That would be some 2 or 3% every week. And next, like, you would get your chance definitely, because there are 3 people on every week. That means if you wait for even 1 or 2 months, your name would come. Thank you guys, have a blessed day, and God bless you. Happy weekend.